Yeah, I would advertise it as a program where you can really learn a lot and experience a lot about China and really tackle your own biases and break down what you already believe to really build something new and a better version of what you already believe. Because I think there can be some truths in what people do believe, but they're seeing it from their perspective, not from the Chinese perspective, and vice versa. I think this program really fosters a real deep understanding of both sides.
The LEAP program has been a truly extraordinary experience. I think it's definitely changed a lot of what I knew, and my experiences here have definitely been impactful and meaningful. It's been so fascinating, both being immersed in the academic aspects of Chinese as a culture and as a language, but also being here to go to all these different places and old historical sites. It's been really valuable, I think.
So this program to me has been like beyond every expectation. That I've learned a lot, not always the language, but also things from Chinese culture. We have seen so many places. I love the Zhejiang ancient town, and everyone who took part on this program, I think, was very professional, and they made us feel at home.
The most impressive was probably, for me at least, the lectures, specifically the FinTech lecture. It changed the way that I think about the world and finance and advancement as well. I think for the activities, everything was extremely impressive, especially how much energy and money has gone into preserving the tradition of China, and that is something I've never experienced before. Here, people seem fully immersed in the culture and the traditions, and I feel like that is something that really, really impressed me.
So hard to choose. Shanghai was super impressive. Hangzhou was a beautiful city, but I honestly keep going back to the little tea house up in the hills and the mountains that we went to near Huzhou. It's both active, bustling environment that you find in big Chinese cities while also appreciating the quiet and the peacefulness. And so coming here for the first time has been a really educational experience, I think.
我虽然小时候在这里住过，但我已经7年都没回来过了。中国发展的那么快，我们还去了Ant 公司，他们也建造了支付宝。支付宝扫描买东西好快啊，好方便。很感谢这次的这带给我们的机会。
I think the LEAP program is really good in bringing people from no background whatsoever in anything about China to understanding the complexities of the culture here and bringing a more nuanced view of China. In general, I think now my view of China is much more holistic, and I want to approach my future career in whether it's politics or international agencies to kind of try to foster peace between China and America and bring prosperity to the global field as much as I can.